to the digital version of our Small Business Toolkit. While the website is formatted for mobile devices, we definitely recommend viewing it on a desktop or laptop computer for an optimal experience. This website has been created initially in English, but please note that there is also an option in the lower right-hand corner to translate it to a language of your choosing. We've broken out each main phase of the toolkit into their own pages on this website, which are accessible via the main navigation bar up top. Within each phase page, there are also subsections of the various topics covered within that phase. These are accessible via drop-downs in the navigation, or by clicking the red submenu links on each individual phase page. These will jump you down to the appropriate section on that page. At the beginning of each phase page, you'll see a section of terms to familiarize yourself with. Click on these terms to view their definitions, or you can also check them out in our glossary of key terms, which is the last item in the main navigation. Within the phase pages, you might also find additional resources called out. Click the buttons to view and download them. Alternatively, you can also access these by clicking on Resources in the main site navigation to view everything compiled in one area. From a sample concept deck to a sample budget template and more, we hope you'll find these resources helpful tools and examples to further aid you in understanding the retail leasing process. One of our most helpful resources is our network of subject matter experts, which is a directory of experts in a variety of industries who can help you in your retail leasing journey. This list is continuously growing, and while we are familiar with the companies listed here, we have not worked directly with all of them, and therefore, we encourage you to do your own due diligence when assembling your team. Click into any of the listings to view more info about these companies. And if you have any recommendations you'd like for us to consider including in the directory, please reach out to us at community@graffito.com. We encourage you to take time exploring the digital version of our toolkit and all the great resources we've made available. However, we totally get it if you're a bit old school and just want to request a printed and bound version of the toolkit publication. Please email us at community@graffito.com to obtain a physical copy, or you can always download a PDF for digital viewing by clicking the Download Toolkit button in the website's footer.